Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to start explaining about conditional control statements. See, what are conditional control statements? Executing a block of instruction only when the specified condition is valid. See, some of the conditional statements are there. First one is a if block. So what is if block? When we have to use if block, so what is the perfect example to understand if block? All these concepts we will discuss. First thing, if block, execute a block of instructions. Execute a block of instructions. Any number of instructions you can write simply to say statements, multiple instructions. Only if the given condition is valid. If the condition is valid, then this block gets executed. If the condition is invalid, then the block will not execute. See, for every conditional control statement, we need to write the flowchart also. How to write the flowchart? Start. Condition we are representing using this rhombus. For condition, two options are there. If it is true, if condition is valid, and if condition is not valid. If condition is true, then it will execute the statements before completion of execution. Statements, and it will go to end. First, it will check the condition. If the condition is valid, statements get executed and it will go to end. If the condition is not valid, then directly it will go to end. That is, without executing the block. Sir, tell me one best example to understand if block. See, using these three, you can understand. First code, suppose just display or print bill amount. Print bill amount, customer bill amount. Directly, I'm taking the code like this. Double bill amount I am taking. Whatever the bill amount, no matter. I'm just printing that bill. Print bill amount. Here no conditional statement. Sir, no if block here. Yes, no if block here. Suppose one customer bill amount is a 3,000 rupees. Okay, then pay 3,000 rupees. One customer bill amount is 8,000 rupees. Okay, then pay 8,000 rupees. Second one. Here, give 20% discount. 20% discount on bill. For everyone. For everyone, give 20% discount. So, we are taking double bill is equal to any bill amount because different customers, right? So do different bill amounts. Now, here we need to calculate 20% discount. How can we calculate? Double discount is equal to how much? 20% means 20 by 100 you can write, or directly 0.20 you can write. 20% of bill amount you just calculate as a discount. Normally discount we need to deduct from the bill. So bill is equal to bill minus discount. Bill is equal to bill minus discount, and finally printing that bill amount. Printing the bill amount. Here, suppose if first customer bill is a 3,000 rupees, you have to pay 3,000 rupees. Second customer bill amount is 8,000 rupees, you have to pay 8,000 rupees. But in this case, if the customer bill amount is a 3,000 rupees, then 3,000 minus 20% means 600. You have to pay 2,400 only. Suppose if the bill amount is 8,000 rupees, 8,000 rupees minus 20% means what? 1600. You have to pay 6,400 only. Because we need to deduct. Now come to our if block concept. If block. Give 20% bill amount, 20% discount only on minimum bill amount is 5,000 rupees. Minimum bill is 5,000 rupees. Then there is no discount for everyone. Discount on condition. That condition is nothing but if block. Same one. We are taking that double bill amount. Here, now we are calculating the discount only if bill amount is greater than or equals to 5,000. Minimum 5,000. Then only they calculate the discount. Double discount is equal to same 20% of bill amount and then deduct from that bill. Bill is equals to bill minus discount. Then simply we are printing that bill. Printing that bill. So now same, if the customer is a 3,000 minus 600 is a 2,400. No, there is no discount. Reason is 3,000 is greater than or is equals to 5,000. Condition false. Right? So here it is, you don't have any discount. You have to pay 3,000 rupees. Another customer 8,000 rupees. Yes, you have a discount of 20%. You need to pay 6,400 only. Sir, exactly where we use if block? So any real-time condition, real-time example means what? This is the way. Just pay the bill, give the discount only when the minimum bill amount is a 5,000 rupees. Hope you understood. Please subscribe the channel.